I walked into a mirror once. I really should have watched myself. That one was from the daughter, Evie. Hello again, everybody, and welcome back. Right, so Showbox is now requiring that you use a special external player. This one being Lime Player. The reason I'm doing this video is so many people have asked about it, and I'm also going to tell you a way where you don't have to use it at all. So that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's crack on. Right, so I am on the 4K Fire Stick, but this is going to work the same for any device that you are using. As you can see, if I go to Showbox inside my applications, you can see the version is 5.3. So I'm quickly going to launch it and show you what you get. Right, so once I launch the app, it's going to say available a new version. If you haven't already got Showbox and you're looking out to get it, I'll put it in the top right hand corner now. But one way where you don't have to use the special external play, you can still keep using it as it was, is do not update the app. A lot of people think updating the app will help. Normally, if they update it, if it's working for you with the previous version, do not update it. But if you do update it, I'm going to show you how to get Lime Player. Right, so once you have updated Showbox, or if you're using the most up-to-date version, this is the message you're going to get. And as you can see, you cannot select MX Player or X Player. They both say soon, so it's got to be Lime Player. Right then, so first of all, I'm going to be showing you how to get on a Fire Stick, but this is going to work the same for Android boxes and things as well. Only thing different is we are going to be using Downloader. But on an Android box or an Android phone, you just use your normal web browser. You're going to type in the URL that I do show you inside Downloader. Right, so first of all, for them using Fire Stick, you want to go to Settings. I'm guessing you've already done this, in fact. My Fire TV, Developer Options, and Apps from Unknown Sources needs to be on. But if you've got the application, you've already got Downloader. Top left-hand corner, type in down. I've done it really fast, I know, but like I say, if you've already got Showbox, you've already got Downloader. So that's it. So now we're going to launch Downloader. I always go into My Settings by going to Settings. Applications, I always go into My Settings by going to Settings. I always go into My Applications by going to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, and you see Downloader. Before we launch it, if you use my website quite regular, or any other website inside Downloader, one thing to know, if it's not updating, the website doesn't seem to be updating, make sure you just clear the cache, then this will refresh the web page that you do use. So we're going to launch that application, and you're going to type in this URL exact as I type it. Right, so as you can see there, letscrackon.org. That's the website you want to visit, and we're going to click on Go. Give it a couple of moments, and one thing you can do inside Downloader is go to the top there. In the top right hand corner, you see the hamburger menu, the 3-line button. Click on that, add current page to favourites, click on Save, and this is a really good tip as well, so you don't have to keep typing in URLs. You go to Favourites, and there you go. I actually saved the downloads page, and that's it. But if you are on the home page, click on the hamburger menu on the website, and then simply navigate down to Downloads. Once you've clicked on that, we'll give it a couple of moments and scroll down. And all you're looking for is the media players, and then you're going to want to install Lime Player. So when we click on that, it's going to take you through to the download page. Click on the blue download. Click on the blue download button, and then we see that green button that we all love. That's the one that takes it. Sounded weird, that, didn't it? Right, so once that's finished, you're going to click Install. Give it a couple of moments again, and once it's installed, you simply click on Done and make sure you delete the file. If you forget to delete the file, on the left hand side you're going to see it says Files, and there you go, long hold it and click Delete. This will save a hell of a lot of storage on your device. If each file is 30 megabyte, which is storing inside Downloader, it's going to eat up your data pretty fast. Lime Player is also in the Google Play Store, but I'm showing you my website so every device can use it. And then if we scroll down the page a little bit, as you can see there, you've got Lime Player. You're not going to need to launch it. And then that's it. You're good to go. It's going to play direct to that. So that's it. Once you've got Lime Player, you don't need to change anything in the settings. It automatically just plays through that. But yeah, I would recommend you don't even update it, as if the previous version is working, don't disturb it. So that being said, hit that like button if it's helped you. Hit that thumbs down if it were dog shit. Comment down below what you think. Personally, I'd watch the video at the end of this video, which in there shows you alternatives to Showbox. Showbox is really going down the shit pan, so I kind of try getting away from that and get used to using a different app. Comment down below what your favourite app is. So that being said, enjoy the weekend. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon next to it, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da!